Hello, good morning and welcome back to my class, children. I missed you all so much. Excited? Today we will start a new chapter of science, chapter 2, where plants live, adaptations. Children, have you ever wondered why a mango tree do not grow in desert? Or why a coconut tree do not grow in cold polar region? Why? Let me tell you the answer. The answer is adaptation. Adaptation are the special features that helps the plant to live, survive and grow in its habitat. Now what is a habitat? Habitat is a natural home or local environment where a plant grow and live. Or we can say that habitat is a local place or environment where a plant live and grow. Plants' habitat can be divided into two main groups: terrestrial habitat and aquatic habitat. Land habitat or terrestrial habitat can be further subdivided into many areas. The plants growing in these areas need to adjust with the kind of weather, the amount of rainfall, type of soil, and other several factors found in that area. Plants growing in flat, plain area have lot of space to grow. Just because of this, they have many branches and have flat green leaves to absorb maximum amount of sunlight for photosynthesis. For example, mango, peepal and neem tree. Some of these trees lose all their leaves in autumn, and as spring approaches, new leaves start growing. Hot deserts are sandy, dry and very hot places. There is the scarcity of rainfall. The soil in desert is sandy and is unable to hold much water. Extreme temperature, dry and strong wind makes the plant survival tough. Some adaptation in desert plants are: first, some desert plants store water in their stem, and these types of plants are known as succulent. Second, desert plants have a special root system. Desert plants have long roots that go deep inside the ground to absorb maximum available water. Desert plants have prickly spines on their body to keep the herbivorous animal away from eating them. Some desert plants are leafless and the photosynthesis is performed by the green stems. Desert plants have a special waxy coating, or we can say that desert plants are covered by a waxy coating to prevent excess water loss. The example of well-adapted plant that grows in desert is cactus. Plants that grow in mountains are generally tall straight and have cone shape. These plants have needle-shaped leaves. The needle shape of the leaves helps the plant first to shed excess snow as compared to the flat leaves. Second, it helps to reduce the water loss from the leaves. Third, the dark color of the needle helps to absorb maximum sunlight for photosynthesis. Plants that grow in area which receive heavy rainfall are evergreen, which means they do not lose their leaves and remain evergreen. For example, cotton, rice and sugarcane. Coconut tree grows in coastal area. They are well adapted to grow in salty water and high rainfall. The seeds of these plants get dispersed from one place to another by water. Plants in marshy areas have special roots called breathing roots or ground roots. Why they are called ground roots? Because the plants which grow in marshy areas have special roots that grow above the soil. This is the reason why the roots of these plants are called ground roots. For example, mangroves. Mangroves have breathing root or ground root because they grow in area which has clay soil. Clay soil is very sticky and air cannot pass through it easily. So, the roots of these plants do not get sufficient air. Just to take air, the roots from the soil, they grow in upward direction. Now we will study about the adaptation in water or aquatic plants. The plants that grow in water is known as aquatic plant. Fixed plants have roots fixed in the bottom of water. They have long stems to reach the surface of water. They have broad leaves which is covered by a waxy coating to prevent the rotting of leaves in water. Water lily and lotus are the examples of fixed plants. Third type of aquatic plants are submerged plants or underwater plants. For example, pondweed and tape grass. These plants have long narrow leaves without stomata. These plants absorb water and nutrients directly from the water. They even exchange the gases directly from water through leaves. Non-green plants. As the name suggests, these plants do not have chlorophyll. These plants take their nutrition from dead and decaying plants and animals and are known as saprophytes. Example of saprophytes plants are Indian pipe and coral roots. Carnivores plant. Children, do you know there are some plants who eats insect? Carnivores plants grow in the soil that does not contain sufficient nutrients. Just to fulfill their nutritional needs, these plants eat insect and absorb nutrition from them. For example, Venus flytrap and pitcher plant. Pitcher plant has a shape of pitcher. It produces a slippery and a sweet smelling nectar. When an insect comes to take a sip of this nectar, falls into the pitcher and get trapped. Wait, there is a special appreciation message. Aditya, Anirudh, Ansh, Anmol, Anushka, Arpita, Harsh, Jessica, Ronak, Sarthak, Shivansh and Prakhar. These were the name of the students who are regularly completing their work, who are regularly showing their homework, maintaining proper notes in their copies. Good, very good beta. I'm very happy with you all. Special appreciation to mothers. मैम आप लोग बहुत स्मार्टली अपना किचन भी हैंडल कर रही हैं और बच्चों का होमवर्क भी. आई होप ये कोऑर्डिनेशन बना रहेगा. प्लीज ये वीडियो अपने फ्रेंड्स, नेबर्स और रिलेटिव्स के साथ शेयर करिए और उन्हें भी मोटिवेट और एनकरेज करिए कि वो भी अपने बच्चों पर उतनी ही मेहनत करें जितना आप लोग कर रहे हैं. थैंक यू फॉर कोऑपरेटिंग. Children, see you in my coming video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye bye.